Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can check your device for Instagram bypass on iPhone. Dear friends, don't forget to put likes under this video, write comments and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. And now I'm going to show you everything step by step. First of all, friends, you will need to open the Instagram app itself. Now on the bottom right, click to go to your page. On the top right, select the three bars. Next, you will need to go to Meta Account Center. Here, scroll down a little bit, select Password Security, and select this option. Who can access your Instagram page? Now select the page itself. After that, friends, when you select the page that you want, you can see a list of all the devices that have been used to log into Instagram. If you see a device that you don't know, and it's probably someone else's device that hacked you or got your password, or it's some outdated device that you'd like to remove from this list, then you're gonna have to click right here. Now you can choose any unnecessary devices you want to remove and delete again. So this device will be removed from the list of all the devices that were previously in your Instagram. Here is such a quick and simple way you can easily check your Instagram login devices on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put likes and write comments. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.